Part 4 of the lecture number 2. Next property of fluid we call the surface tension or แรงตึงผิว Surface of fluid is similar to the flexible membrane. Molecular bond, hydrogen bond is existing. If the water molecular are separate apart about 5 micrometer, this bond will be ineffective. Okay. An example in nature is one example is the minimum contact area with the environment, such as the drop of water on the lotus leaf, okay, น้ำกลิ้งบนใบบัว and wet combing hair, and insect walking on the water, okay, or floating lasas bread, okay, and this show the figure that is the water stranger bugs can walking on the water. Okay, so we can explain this behavior by this is surface water. Once the bug is stand on this surface, we expect that the shape of the surface is like this. Okay, this is the leg of the bug. Okay, this is the force pushing on the surface. Okay, and we can write the fibril diagram of this, the bulk of the surface. Okay, like this. You can use different color. This is the force from the weight of the bug, or the force from the leg, and the other force is for the surface tension force. Okay, so that is the force. This small f is equal to 2 pi r. If we assume the radius of the shape of the surface water. Okay, so in this case the F is mean surface tension F, and 2 pi r, and times sigma. Okay, sigma is mean the coefficient of the surface tension of fluid. Okay, for between air and water is about this number 0.0073, but for the air mercury is higher, about 0.48. Okay, and for force from the legs, F is equal to the different delta P times area. Okay, P is the delta P is different pressure between the top and the bottom of the water surface. Okay, so we can write equation for F and capital F and small f, and based on equilibrium equation we can write equation summation of force is equal to 0, so the capital force is equal to small f, and we just substitute for delta P for the area is pi r square is equal to 2 pi sigma. Okay, this is pi is cancelled, and we can write delta P is equal to sigma divided by r. That is the case of the surface tension. But in case of a bubble, in the case of the bubble, it's like this this show on the left hand side A is a drop. Okay, so they have only one surface, and for the bubble they have two surfaces. Okay, inside and outside. Okay, so in this case, if in case of the bubble, there's two layers. So delta P is equal to 4 sigma divided by R. In this case, F is equal to 2F. Okay. The next about the minicast, the contact angle between the fluid and vessel. For example, this is angle. Show is not clearly. Okay, so this is a contact angle between the fluid and container. Theta is we call the angle of contact. Okay, if the angle of contact is less than 90, it means it's wet the surface, or the cohesive force between water and, for example, water and glass is higher than molecular force of water, and in this case is water. But in case of the theta is greater than 90, it's not wet the surface. Okay, in this case it has, that is theta is greater than 90. So it's not the surface. In this case, it's mercury. So the difference between the water and mercury